So here we are with another Cuban oregano. As you can see, this one is much uh, bigger, of course, than that one hanging in the window. And I've got a couple more of these. Um, I had to bind it up a little bit there to keep it from flippy floppy. And so this is a good look at it. Like I said, and you can see some of the where I've cut off some of the pieces to propagate, but it is a very extremely prolific plant. And if you can see, I don't know if you can really see them, but the stems have hair on them. Hair like the tomato plant, which means it can actually propagate directly into the soil. What is that? Some kind of bug? No. It is alive. Well, get rid of it. So, yep, that is looking good.